Viking Pump is proud to bring you the new GB425 series pipeline injection pump. This robust, rebuildable external gear pump is specifically designed to handle the pressures, flow requirements, and abrasives that make crude oil pipeline injection one of the most difficult applications. With flow rates up to 25,000 barrels per day and pressure capabilities up to 1,500 psi, this pump can handle the toughest process requirements. And a number of other features make this pump the ideal solution for pipeline injection. The GB425 series features new internal components that have an extremely durable coating, a simple, rebuildable design, a robust mechanical seal, and a renewed focus on efficiency and environmental impact. This series utilizes the same durable coating on the gears and bushing blocks that has been used on both the GB410 and GB414 series. This coating protects internal components from the effects of abrasive wear, extending the life of the pump and minimizing downtime. After receiving customer feedback, Viking Pump pursued the creation of an upgraded, rebuildable pipeline injection pump. The GB425 series features a stacked design that allows for quick disassembly and replacement of components. By having rebuild kits on hand, pumps can be removed from service, repaired, and back online much faster than ordering a new unit. This approach not only saves time, but is a huge cost savings opportunity. A robust mechanical seal is standard on every pump. This seal helps to prevent leakage and can withstand the high pressures required in pipeline injection. Because of these efforts to improve pump performance, the GB425 series carries a much smaller environmental footprint than competitor technologies. This series is driven by an electric motor, which is a much cleaner option. Other designs waste motive gas, flare off CO2, or vent methane, which contributes to emissions. The mechanical seal prevents leaks from entering the environment, and the overall smooth operation leads to less strain on the system, preventing vibration and the possibility of damaging other process equipment that could lead to leaks in the system. The GB425 series is reinventing pipeline injection and improving efficiency in a number of areas in the process, and the rebuildable design has given even more control to customers in the field. To learn more about the GB425 series or other GB series products, visit our website at vikingpump.com to learn more.